So today in this video we are going to see that how to connect the database or the cloud data to the Power BI. Okay, so here you can see that this is a simple example. So here I have the data in the Excel about the ID column, name, department, salary, performance and so on. Okay, so basically I want to pull out this data into the Power BI desktop and just I want to clean the data. Okay, so how can we do this? Okay, so with the help of the Power BI desktop this is possible right now. Okay, so we are going to see. Okay, so basically this is an desktop of the Power BI. Okay, so here you have to click to the get data. At the top here you can see that the cursor and just hit on the get data, and here you can see that there are multiple databases are present here. 100 plus databases are there, like our JSON file and PDF and IBM, and just there are warehouses, Azure and AWS, GitHub, everything there is an possible, and there are 100 plus database are available. You can pull out that into your Power BI. Okay, so basically my data which is present in the Excel. Okay, so just I will connect it, and just this is my file, and just I will open it, and here you can see that it is connecting the data, and here you can see that on the screen the data has came successfully, and just you have to click on the sheet 1 and select it and just hit on the transform data. Okay, here you can see that as it is our the data has came, and just hit on the transform data, and here you can see that the Power Query editor has opened. Okay, so here you can filter the data, or you can transform the data, you can do everything. And in the next video we are going to see with the further part that how to add the columns or how to fill the null values, everything we are going to see in the next video. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video with the next fresh topic guys.